must deal with the disease of budgeted corruption. Budgeted corruption. Somebody sits down and says, tunatafuta pesa kidogo. What can we do at the port? Anasema, tungoe hii kabro ni white tuweke ya black. Haikai mzuri sana. Deal with those issues. We don't want the port kabro here, sijui pavement corner here, sijui maram in another corner. Let the port invest in things that are going to make a difference in increasing the volume of goods that are coming to pass through the port of Mombasa.
Projection for the 2022-2023 was we expected to have 60 billion and a profit of 18 billion, but we achieved 16.6 billion, which was good anyway. In terms of demand forecast, our throughput, which we expect during this strategic plan, we need to grow from 35 million metric tons to 38.9 million metric tons.
The board this week approved a dividend of 10 billion, and we are going to hand over the first tranche of 3 billion by next year.
Kogene ate mathukuru ma university ni moretie thirikari gukorwo ikimagathika kigina ya kota